Namaste, welcome back to Gita's Kitchen. Today I am sharing with you a one-pot Sambar ideal for your office lunch box, for travel or even for busy days. No separate cooking, no tension. Come, let's see how to do it. If you want a tasty South Indian lunch using just one pot, then this Sambar is your best friend. Piping hot, absolutely aromatic Sambar full of the goodness of vegetables too. For this I have taken 3/4 cup of raw rice and 1/4 cup of Toor dal. I have washed it well and it has been soaking for about 10 minutes now. Now apart from this, we can take mixed vegetables. Today I have taken this broad beans, what you call same in Hindi, carrot and mulangi or radish. We can also use the radish leaves if they are tender and good, and one chopped tomato. I have soaked one small lemon sized piece of tamarind. Apart from this, we will just require our regular spices, that is salt, haldi powder and homemade sambar powder. These broad beans, string the broad beans like this from both the ends, and you can just cut it into 2 or 3 depending on the size. Here I have taken one carrot peeled and chopped into pieces. Similarly, one radish or mooli also, peel it and make it into slices like this. Heat a tablespoon of oil in your pressure cooker. Add mustard seeds. Add half a teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds. 1 dry red chilli, 1 sprig of curry leaves and some hing. Next add in 1 ripe tomato chopped. Add turmeric powder, salt and I am taking 2 teaspoons of our homemade sambar powder. Mix everything well, just saute it for a minute or so. Now add in all the remaining vegetables, that is your broad beans, carrot, radish, and this also the greens from the radish I have taken. They were nice and fresh. Now mix everything well together so that all the vegetables and masalas are well blended. Drain out the water from the soaked rice and dal, add that too. Now along with the tamarind extract, totally I have taken 4.5 cups of water. Add that also and wait for everything to come to a boil. See, the sambar is boiling well together now. Cover the pressure cooker and we'll cook it for 1 whistle and switch it off. Open the cooker now. Just give it a good mix gently. Our sambar is piping hot. It should be soft, slightly mushy but not dry. Meanwhile, while waiting for the cooker to release the pressure, I also fried some applams to go with the sambar. This sambar is of the perfect consistency. You can have it piping hot and it stays soft for hours. Serve it along with some fried appam. And just top it up with a little bit of ghee on top. Definitely try out this one pot sambar sadam. Have it piping hot for lunch or dinner. And if you like this recipe, please share it with your family and friends. Subscribe to Gita's Kitchen for more such easy, tasty and healthy recipes. Thank you.